You are about to spend $40, $50, maybe $60,000 on an SUV. And here is the brutal truth. Most people get it completely wrong. They walk into a dealership, fall in love with the leather seats and the big screen, and drive off thinking they made the smartest decision of their life. Then, 2 years later, they're sitting in a repair shop, staring at a bill that could have paid for a vacation, wondering what went wrong. What went wrong is simple. They bought the wrong SUV. Because in America, not all SUVs are created equal. Some will run for 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Others start falling apart the second the warranty expires. And if you don't know the difference before you sign that paper, you're going to learn it the hard way, through your wallet. So today, no fluff, no dealership talk, just the real answer to one question. Which SUVs can you actually trust in America? Let's get into it. Why reliability is everything in most American households. It's not just a vehicle. It's the car taking your kids to school every morning, doing airport runs at 5 a.m., and hauling everything across 3 states on a road trip. It never gets a day off. And when it breaks down, when you're stranded on the side of I-95 at 11 p.m., you don't care how good the sound system is. You care about one thing. Why didn't this thing just work? The numbers back this up. The most reliable SUVs in America cost their owners between $5,000 and $8,000 in repairs over a decade. The least reliable, $20,000 to $25,000. That's not a small gap. That's a down payment on your next car. Reliability also protects your resale value, which means you're saving money twice, once at the mechanic and once when you sell. Now, let's talk about the vehicles. The most reliable SUVs in America. Number 1, Toyota 4Runner. If one SUV has earned the right to be called bulletproof, it is the Toyota 4Runner. This thing is not just reliable, it is legendary. Toyota has been running the same 4.0-liter V6 in the 4Runner for years, and that's not a weakness, that's a strength. They figured out how to make it work perfectly and kept refining it instead of constantly changing it and introducing new problems. The result is an engine that simply will not quit. Talk to any 4Runner owner and you'll hear the same story. 200,000 miles, 250,000, 300,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes. These aren't rare cases, these are normal outcomes. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction means it handles serious punishment without falling apart. The interior won't win awards and the fuel economy isn't impressive, but if you want something still running strong 10 years from now, the 4Runner is the answer. Used 4Runners often sell for more than their original sticker price. That's how much America trusts this vehicle. Number 2, Toyota Highlander. If the 4Runner is the rugged warrior, the Highlander brings Toyota's reliability into a more family-friendly package. 3 rows, space for up to 8 passengers, smooth ride, solid tech, all wrapped in Toyota's famous build quality. The Highlander Hybrid is especially smart. Upper 30s in MPG, combined with Toyota dependability, means you're saving money at the pump and at the mechanic at the same time. Owner satisfaction scores are consistently at the top of the segment. People don't just buy a Highlander once, they come back generation after generation. That loyalty is earned through thousands of problem-free miles. Number 3, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V quietly earns its reputation year after year without needing to shout about it. Honda doesn't throw features at you for the sake of marketing. They design systems to work correctly, to last, and to stay out of your life. The result is one of the most dependable compact SUVs in America. The CR-V Hybrid pushes into the 40s on MPG. Cargo room rivals some mid-size SUVs. Repair costs are among the lowest in the entire segment. When Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and real-world ownership data all point in the same direction, you listen. And with the CR-V, they all say the same thing. Buy it. Number 4, Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but it absolutely belongs in this conversation. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive is standard on every single Forester. Not an option, standard. In a country where weather can flip from sunshine to blizzard depending on where you live, that matters. The Forester sits higher than most compact SUVs, giving you real ground clearance for snow, rough roads, and light trails. Long-term reliability scores have climbed significantly in recent generations, and owner satisfaction in cold weather states, Colorado, Michigan, Wisconsin, the entire Northeast, is exceptional. If you live somewhere with serious winters, the Forester might be the best choice on this entire list. Number 5. Lexus RX. In the premium segment, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, there is one name that stands above every competitor when it comes to reliability: Lexus. The Lexus RX has dominated reliability rankings from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power for years. It has one of the lowest long-term cost of ownership figures of any luxury vehicle, period. Here's why. It's essentially a Toyota underneath, sharing proven platforms and engines with Toyota's most trusted vehicles. But Lexus wraps all of that reliability in an interior that rivals BMW and Mercedes at their best. German-level luxury with Japanese reliability. That combination is almost unfair to the competition. In the luxury segment, reliability matters even more, because when a luxury SUV breaks, the repair bills are not luxury. They are brutal. A Lexus RX keeps you out of the shop and on the road, where you belong.
Number 6. Kia Telluride. Here's the one that might surprise you. The Kia Telluride is the newest nameplate on this list, but it has earned its spot through owner satisfaction that nobody saw coming. When the Telluride launched, it swept practically every major automotive award: Motor Trend SUV of the Year, North American Utility Vehicle of the Year, and more. But awards are one thing. Real-world reliability is another, and the Telluride delivers on both. You're getting features and interior quality that rivals vehicles costing $15,000 more. Repair rates are low, satisfaction rates are high, and Kia backs it with one of the best warranties in the business: 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. That's not a warranty, that's a confidence statement. If you want a 3-row SUV that looks incredible and is built to last without spending Lexus money, the Telluride is one of the smartest buys in America right now.
Final thoughts. Let's bring it home. America is a country built on driving. We depend on our vehicles in ways most people in the world simply don't understand. When your SUV fails you, it doesn't just inconvenience you. It disrupts your entire life. Your job, your family, your routine, all thrown off by one breakdown. That's why reliability isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. The Toyota 4Runner, Toyota Highlander, Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, Lexus RX, and Kia Telluride. These vehicles have proven themselves through real miles, real conditions, and real American ownership. They're not perfect. No vehicle is. But they come closer to perfect reliability than anything else in this market right now. If you're shopping for an SUV, start with this list. Check the data. Get a pre-purchase inspection if you're buying used. And drive home with confidence, knowing the vehicle you picked is going to take care of you for years to come. That's what AmericanRevHead is all about, helping you make smarter decisions about the machines you trust your family with every single day. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. We drop new content every week. And drop a comment below telling us what SUV you're driving right now or which one you're eyeing next. We read every single one. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and keep those RPMs where they belong.